Hello everybody in YouTube. This is a video. It's not going to be an update or anything. This is going to just be a video for Christmas and get y'all's opinion on something here. My wife doesn't like it, but I do. But I'll let y'all be the judge. And I'm not talking about my statue there, which I got that off of a job for free because they were going to throw it away. Really nice statue. Really nice. But that's not what I'm going to show you. What I'm going to show you is my tree. It's all trimmed in gold, white lights. It's fake, but it looks real good. Looks like a real tree. That's not what I'm talking about either. What I'm talking about is something I got for about I think it was about $5, about 9-10 years ago. And that, my friends, will be this locomotive right here. It's the Christmas Express. And so I got that at a yard sale for about $5, I believe it was. One heck of a steal. And I'm going to flip my switch. And she also smokes, she talks, and she also stops and the wheel spins like she's she's trying to go uphill or something like that. So she does everything. So let's get started. Wait for it on this side. Me personally, I think she looks good in the tree. She blends in. Really good. Look, you don't see nothing. I'll let y'all be the judge of that. I think she's pretty cool. Let her start back up. She works on 4 AA batteries. I think she turned out pretty cool in the tree. That's my pride and joy. I even got me a locomotive right here. The AA batteries are in this part right here, in the center part, where all the coal's at. Top lifts up, and you got 4 AA batteries in there. Usually when you see the trains, it's usually at the bottom of it's usually at the bottom of your tree. Like where I got my little houses right there. This right here is actually inside of the tree, about middle ways up, or middle ways from the top down actually. And I have a long run and a short run just by flipping the switch right there. You can see the cord right here that goes from where the batteries are at. It plugs in right there. And there's a switch. And all I gotta do is put some drops in that. If I can get it out here. And I'm gonna stop it on the next one, see if I can get it so we can see the smoke. Might have got too much in there. Yeah, I got too much in there right now. She'll go away. I think she turned out pretty good. Hey y'all, hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think about being in the tree like that. And it's all stick together so my wife will get upset. See you later. Until next time. Bye.